Hey guys, this is Harry with UBR Tech, and today's video is going to be a quick one, hopefully. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the HB Industries Safety Delete for a B&T APC9 Pro. So let's show that the gun is clear first. You can see that the gun is clear. What this does is it takes the safety paddle right here and it basically just turns it into a pointer. So it just shows whether the gun is unsafe or not. So that's where that's going to go. And the reason why I'm getting rid of it is because when you go into shoot, that paddle digs, you could see, right into my hand, and it's not that comfortable. So I'm going to be removing that and installing the safety delete. So the first thing you do is you push the takedown pins. You push these in like this. Okay. And they're captive, so they won't come out. Okay. And you remove that part like that, and we can move this aside. Okay guys, now that you have the lower off, what you're going to do is you're going to put the paddle, your safety paddle, onto fire or on red, whatever you like. And then you're going to put your fingers over the hammer and pull the trigger. Now when you pull the trigger, you're going to walk this hammer forward real nice and slow, just like that. And the reason why you want to do that is because in order to take this paddle off, the paddle has to be in this position, has to be on the fire position. And the reason why you want to walk the hammer forward is because you want to make sure that you don't accidentally pull the trigger while the hammer's back and load it, and then it flies forward and breaks something. So it's just, again, to be safe. Once you do that, you're going to need a pair of tweezers that are pretty small and thin like this. If you don't have something like this, you might be able to use like a bobby pin or something like that that'll be like, I guess, stiff enough to push down on that spring-loaded detent, and also thin enough to fit in that hole right there. When you put the tweezers in there and you push down, you can feel it spring-loaded. And what you're going to do is, I'm going to try to get my hands situated so it works right, is push down, and with your thumb, you're going to push upward like this. Because as you can see right here, that's how it slides off. Okay, so again, put that in here, press down to compress the spring, and then you're going to push up. Now I just felt this slide over, so what you're going to do is you're going to start pushing this over now, because you can see I have it started. And what happens is there's that detent that's underneath here, and you want to make sure that that doesn't fly out. So what you want to do is you want to keep your thumb over the detent as you're sliding this forward so it doesn't fly out, because it's underneath spring pressure. Boom, there you go, done. So now this is off. Now we can put this down, take out our new paddle, or lack of paddle, and what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing but in reverse. And then you're going to take your thumb and compress it down. The little pointer is going to face to the rear of the gun diagonally, basically the same way the other one was. And so you're just going to push and slide this down. Sorry guys for the, all you're seeing is my finger or my hand. I'm going to hold it down here, and I'm going to slide this on and see how it's actually captured it already. So I'm going to just push this on. It's a little tight, just like that. Sorry for the bad angle. There you go. It's on. Make sure it looks good. Okay, it's not going anywhere. I pushed like up and down just to make sure it was captured correctly, and it is. So now when you push up, you can see on the right hand side that it's safe. When you push it down, red is for dead. Okay, so I put mine back on safe, and now it's time to put, you're pretty much done. It's time to put it back on the gun just to see what it looks like. But again, you're done. So you take your lower and you put this back on here like so. Match up the holes. Push in the pins on the other side right here. You're going to push those in. Boom. Same thing for the one in the rear. Push this in. Bang. Done. That was very easy. Turn it around so you can see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. So that's how you install the HB Industries B&T APC9 Safety Delete right. Guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next one.